A 24-year-old man has been arrested by police for allegedly sexually assaulting a 16-year-old girl from Marmagaon. The roads outside GMC, Goa's premier hospital, see major traffic snarls almost daily. The confusing road layout and planning are the primary cause of these major traffic snarls. Aam Aadmi Party President Amit Palekar, along with a few other volunteers, were seen regulating traffic today, a job supposed to be undertaken by the state traffic cell. Goa DGP Jaspal Singh today claimed that big gangs or drug mafias are not found to be operational in Goa. Being a tourist state, drugs are peddled in small quantities for recreational purposes only, he asserted. The DGP also said it is to Goa's advantage that coastal areas and port shipment services are not being used by drug business operators in the state. As Carnival approaches, the State Tourism Department has invited applications from interested persons for being selected as King Momo for Carnival parades. Carnival is a festival unique to Goa which is held every year in the month of February.